you ever find yourself with a broken sector shaft, this is what you do.
Well, that looks like aftermarket, soon to be in future. Yeah, sheet cast, nothing new. So what happened is Mark broke his sector shaft on his Jeep. So what we did is we took 2 ropes equal length and tied it to the knuckles at the steering. Then we crossed it to a point, equal points on my Jeep, and we were able to get him. As you can see, we're just dragging him out, and I'm doing his steering for him. What I have him do for me is apply brakes. So he's basically just keeping the rope tight, so I keep him turned. More or less, it's like driving a trailer. You could do this rock crawling, you could do this out of the trailer, you could do this anywhere. So if you're ever in a situation, this happens to you, you can get someone off a very, very hard trail this way. It's a good trick to do. Well, we're going back to camp. Now we're getting back to camp a little late. Something tells me Mark will be making dinner for everybody tonight.